very good morning to all of you. Welcome you again for your next practical. And today we are making chicken fricassee. Fricassee is dish is from France, and it is very popular dish in France. It is just originated in England, but the popularity it is just taken from France. So today that the dish we are making is fricassee. In the French name of fricassee, it means that it is the method of cooking in which we are doing the braising part and also cook the chicken, seasoned chicken with the sauce as well as. So now let's start with the cooking process. And first of all, what we have to do, we have to marinate the chicken. So now we will start with the marination of chicken. So we have this chicken part, breast and leg both. So what we have to do, we have to first of all marinate this chicken with salt and crushed black pepper. So add a little bit of salt and pepper to it, black pepper. Now mix it properly. So the ingredient mixed properly, and it will give you the salty as well as the spiciness of the black pepper, that is freshly grounded black pepper we are using. Now let it be rest for 5 minutes, and after that what we have to do, we have to just saute this chicken, and then we will prepare the sauce, and then we will proceed further. Now I have lighted up the pan, heated up the pan. Now what we have to do, we have to add a little bit of olive oil to saute the marinated chicken, as we have marinated the chicken for 5 minutes. Now let it saute, and after that we will going to proceed to make a sauce. So now just put the oil on the sides of your pan so that it will not stick to the pan. Now as oil is heated up, we have to just put pieces of chicken inside your pan one by one, so it will become easy to cook from both the sides. You can see here the sizzling sound of the heated oil when I am putting this chicken inside this pan. Always use the non-stick pan so that your chicken will not stick to your bottom, and it will maintain the color as well as the flavor of your sauce and your. You can use the skin one chicken also if you have that one, but I am using the skinless chicken here. So now the chicken started sizzling, cooking from one side. Okay, as you can use the skin one chicken also while making the chicken fricassee, and if you didn't get that one, you can use without skin chicken. If it is possible, you can take the thigh part of the chicken. It will give you a much more juiciness to your dish. You can see the chicken is started from cooking from this side, one-sided, you can see. But let it be there for 5 to 6 minutes. Then we will turn up the side and cook from the another side. Now chicken is cooked from one side. You can see the color, the texture. It's very nice. Now what we have to do, we have to cook it from other side also. So now I am moving this chicken from other side to cook it from other side. You can see the color. Now the same color we require from other side, and when we get that color, we will remove it from the pan and start making the sauce. Now you can see the chicken is sauteed from both the sides, and we have to remove this chicken from the pan, and then we will start making the sauce. Okay, so now I am going to remove the chicken from the pan. Now I am using the same pan as all the ingredients, the aroma and the oil is there. So I will make the sauce in that pan only. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to add butter to a pan, a heated pan. So to saute the vegetables and the garlic, And then we will start this sauce. Now let it be melted up. Now after melting this butter, add a chopped garlic that we have done. Now I have added the garlic. Now the saute until it becomes translucent, and we will start making the sauce. First of all, what we have to do, we have to just saute the garlic and the other vegetables that we have, like celery we have this carrot, mushroom trimmings, all we have to give. Add to the garlic. Now you can see the garlic started sauteing and getting a very fine translucent color and very aroma is, I'm getting very nice aroma of garlic. Now add chopped celery to garlic and saute it again. With garlic it will give a very nice aroma and taste. It is a very nice combination of garlic and celery. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to add the chopped onions. And at the end we will add the mushroom trimming, because it will take a very less time to cook. So we don't want to cook it more, so we will add mushroom at the end. Now saute it properly. After that, we have to add the carrot cubes. Now add the carrot. Now saute that carrot again properly. Now in between we have to add a little bit of salt in it, so that the vegetables can easily remove their juices and cook easily. Now I am adding a little bit of salt and a pinch of black pepper also. Now mix it again. Now add mushroom trimmings. Saute it so that they can extract the juices and they will give a very nice flavor to your sauce and color also. So now mix them properly, saute them properly. Actually fricassee is a method in which we can use the braising cooking, in which you can add both the dry and liquid type of cooking, in which we can braise our chicken. So now the mushroom is also going to be sauteed. Now what we have to do, we have to add a thickening agent. As everybody know that we have to thick our sauce also. So for that, what we are doing, first of all we have to add a butter here only. Now melt it little bit, and after that I will add refined flour, like we are making the roux. So the same thing we are using this to get a proper thickness. Now add flour in it. To get a proper consistency of your sauce. Now you can see the roux has been prepared. Now mix it with vegetables so the juices will extract from the vegetables. Now add chicken broth with vegetables and cook it little bit to get the right consistency. Just increase the flame. Now cook it until you get a right consistency of your fricassee sauce. You can see we are getting a very nice texture of the sauce as well as the color also. Now cook it for a while, and you can adjust the seasoning also. If it is look like I have adjusted the seasoning already, and now you can see the stock, the sauce is ready. You can add little bit more to make it little thin. Now you can see the consistency. If it is required, you can now add more and more broth if it is required. I mean, if you will get a nice consistency, then there is no necessary to increase the quantity of the broth. Now I am adding the sauteed chicken to mix with the sauce and give it a very nice taste to your dish. Now cook it for 5 to 6 minutes, and after that you can enjoy your chicken fricassee with, you can serve it with the herb rice, you can serve it with the breads, you can serve with the noodles also. So it is a very nice dish you can enjoy. Now I will cook it for 5 minutes also. Now you can see your sauce is very nice in color, in texture. The chicken that we have braised is also in nice color. Now we have to go for the plating, and before that what we have to do at the last, we have to add a little bit of cream to it to get a very nice creamy taste. So now we have to add cream. Now slow down the gas and mix the cream properly so that you will get a nice color, texture and taste. Now you can see your sauce is ready and your chicken fricassee is cooked properly. Now what we have to do? We have to go for the plating. So now I am starting the plating. So what we have to do? We have to put the pieces first of all in the center of your pan. Now what you have to do, we have to add the sauce on the top of the pan. Now you can see the consistency. It is just like a stew, or you can enjoy it with the herb rice, you can enjoy it with the pastas, you can enjoy it with the breads. It will give a very nice combination of vegetables and chicken also. So now it is very colorful also. Now at the end what we have to do, we have to garnish it with the chopped parsley leaves. That is a chopped parsley leaf, that is fresh leaf of parsley. Now you can see the garnish. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Very easy recipe. Students, you can make it at your home also and send us the pic. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.